Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we can see that the last traded price of Euro USD is 1.1594, and if we look at the chart here, then we can see that Euro USD closed at a very critical position. First of all, if you look at the chart here, then regarding the trend of the market, there should not be any doubt that this market is in heavily downtrend. Yes, we can see that the overall trend of the Euro USD is very much towards the downside, or in simple words, this is a seller's market. Sellers are dominating the chart of Euro USD. Okay. So the second point that we need to focus here is that overall chart of Euro USD may be towards the downside. But if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that right now we do not have any present trend here. Overall, sellers are dominating the market, but right now, at this particular point of time, buyers are also present in the market and they are trying their best to take the price upward. As a result, we are seeing a sideways kind of a market, choppy kind of a market in the present moment. So therefore, overall trend is towards the downside and the present trend is kind of sideways. Clear? Therefore, our next duty is to find the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading price or the best price in the market. It is nothing but the best position to go for shorting or to sell if the market is in downtrend, and the best position to go for buy if a market is in uptrend. Okay, and as we can clearly see that overall trend of Euro USD is towards the downside. Therefore, it would be safe for us to look for shorting opportunities only, because the area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And in this market, you can see that we have got three resistances here at this moment. The first resistance is 1.1600. Previously, last week, we were not clear about the role of 1.1600 because one time it was acting as a support for the market, then it was acting as a resistance. So the role of 1.1600 was not very much clear. Still, we cannot very strongly say that 1.1600 is a very strong resistance, because you can clearly see on the chart that it is not a strong one. Try to use logic here. Okay. So you can clearly see that still it is not acting as a very strong resistance, but we have this trend line. Yes, we have this trend line, and therefore we can hope that these double resistances may act as a together, they may act as a strong resistance, and market may go down from here. But on Friday, yes, on Friday, market reached the level, but still market struggled and still market did not go down. That was a surprising event. Okay, and this is the main reason I'm telling you that buyers are also present in the market. So what should be a strategy for on Monday then? On Monday, if you see a red candle, yes, listen to me carefully. If you see a red candle here, big red candle here, breaking the level of 1.1580. Yes, if you find a big red candle breaking or crossing the level of 1.1580, then you can go for a sell order. Your stop loss will be above this level. Your stop loss will be above 1.1620. Your stop loss will be above this level, and please follow proper risk management. It means that do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because my dear friends, because see, we are still not very much clear about the Euro USD chart. Unlike the chart of gold here, we do not have a proper picture what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. So following proper risk management is extremely important whenever you do not understand the chart well. And on the other hand, if Euro USD starts going up from here, if you find Euro USD going up from here, then do not go for buy immediately, because see, this is your hard-earned money and it is your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. So if in a downtrend market, if Euro USD starts going up from here, do you think that your hard-earned money deserves a chart like this? Do you think that you should trade on a chart that you do not even understand well? No, my dear friend, no. At least I am not trading, or I will not be trading on Euro USD personally. In fact, 2 weeks ago, so I clearly mentioned that I would not be trading on Euro USD because I was not getting a proper direction about the Euro USD, and I'll request the same. If you're not getting a proper direction, if you're thinking that this chart is not good enough, then you should also avoid Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD is the most popular currency pair in the world, but that doesn't mean that it will be earning you money. Earning money is the most important in the market. So if market goes up from here, if you find that the market is not good enough, just avoid Euro USD. Okay, just avoid Euro USD. That is my request to you. Okay, and in case it starts going down from here, then we can short the market with following proper risk management. Okay, and on the other hand, you can see that we have a support at this level, 1.1528 level. So in case you short the market, this will be ultimate target. And on the other hand, if market bounces also from this level, we can hopefully we can go for buy, because twice we have seen market taking support here. So third time also there is a possibility of market going up from here. Let's see, that's a different chapter now. Let's see how the market reacts on Monday. Okay, and if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, then you can see that DXY, though market is an uptrend, but if we just focus on this present trend of the DXY, then you can see that DXY is also in sideways. So 93.80 is acting as a support for the market, whereas 94.50 is acting as a resistance for the market. So as we all know, when dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. So if you are shorting Euro USD, just make sure that US dollar is in uptrend, or dollar is going up, taking support from here. That will be an additional confirmation for your trading. Do not short Euro USD if you find US dollar also going down. That will be a quite risky trade for you. And anyways, I think that we will see some good move on the chart of dollar here, US dollar, in the coming week, because dollar has been trading in this range for quite some time, and dollar is extremely bullish for the last couple of weeks. So we can hope that we can see some good moves in the coming week. So, and overall, hopefully I've understood that if you are a beginner, if you are looking for big moves, then Euro USD is not the chart for you. Okay, and that's it. Bye bye.